Hillbilly Nitro. Here we are, guys, back with another Hillbilly production. What we got today, guys, as you probably seen in the description, we have an 8K/SKS Sling for my old school Chinese SKS. And what we're going to do in this video is going to unbox this, and then we're going to put it on the rifle. We'll go ahead and do the unboxing now. So or unpackaging. As you can see, this is from China. So we're gonna open her up. I was kind of didn't really know if I wanted to order this. No, this is the first time I've ever ordered something from China. I got this off eBay, and I was like, well, I could be putting, I think it was 12 or 15 bucks I spent on this, and I was like, well, I could be just throwing this 10 or 15 bucks away, but we're going to unbox it here. It finally got here within a week. This is supposed to be original Chinese military issue from 64, 65. So 1964 or 65, I do believe, and it is marked, so that's what I like about it. Very cool. I'm not sure if this is exactly a SKS sling, and I believe it's more of an AK sling, but it will work, and I'm not an expert in these things, but I think it's pretty cool if it's what we get here. I have one of those other SKS slings that I ordered, and you'll see it on the rifle, and it's just, I don't know, I don't like it. The leather on it's like super new and chrome hardware on it, and it just, I don't know, I don't like that. The rubber seems like leather, or not leather, but the leather seems like rubber. There we go. You got it out right. Here we are. Let's see if we got some markings on here. We're supposed to have some markings. There we go. There they are. There's our markings there. 762. And I'll spare you guys on doing my translation there. I am a professional in Chinese writing, but I'll spare you. Very nice. Very old school, and this is, you can definitely tell this is the original issue. Unissued, but you know, original. This is right. That's where it come from. Very cool, very cool. I seen the picture, and they had a whole big, these come out of a big, like a burlap sack. You could tell that they were just in surplus storage. Had quite a few of them. These are still on sale on eBay too, so if you guys are looking around, maybe if you hit me up in the comments, and I can maybe point you in the direction of these things if you're interested in one of them. I don't know if I want to post a link to it or not. I don't know how YouTube will do about that. Got some character to it. I mean, that's what I like. That the SKS, I mean, it's, you know, it's got a lot of character to it, the stock and stuff. So that sling I've got on it looking all brand new. I'd rather have something that looks original. Very cool. So we'll get to putting this on the rifle here in just a few. Alright guys, got everything set out here now. We're going to do the install on this sling, just in case there's some people out there that need to see how to install this sling, because it can be a little complicated if you don't know what you're doing. I've already had it on, and I put it on backwards the first time, so I'm going to do a little how-to on the install. Got the SKS out. And as you can see, it's got a different finish on it now compared to that my first video when I first got it. I took I used some paint stripper and got that gloss finish off of it, and it's down to pretty much the original finish. It's got some boiled linseed oil, got a couple of coats of boiled linseed oil on it. Looks great now. Lots of character, which I do like. But as you can see, this sling, we're not going to have this on the end, which is what you see on most SKS slings, is they have the rubber strap on the back to go here and on the front. But this one's not going to have that. It's just going to loop through your little sling mount here. And then this will keep everything cinched up. There's our markings again, 762. As I said, I could translate that for you, but I'll spare you. I am an expert in reading Chinese, but you know, we won't get into that right now. We got our nice old school galvanized glide here. There's one up here. I'm glad to see this is not rusted. Some of these you'll see for sale that are kind of all rusted and kind of like got like a crusty finish on it for just being so old. It looks like I got a good one. And what I didn't show you in the unboxing is they sent a extra leather strap here. Seems to be a bit longer, but it's always good to have an extra one there. As you can see, guys, this is a lot different. This has been soaked in oil. This was like, I don't know, it looked like plastic, and you can see where it's cracked. This was the sling that come on the SKS, but I ordered one for my other SKS, and these were like real bright, shiny chrome. Had a chrome plate on it, and I sanded them down and put some cold blue, gun blue on it, just to get that old shiny chrome off there. This one is aluminum, so I like that. That's really cool. That's aluminum. Very original looking. This just looked brand new, and I didn't like it. A brand new shiny sling on this old school rifle with all the character on it. I just wasn't feeling that. So now we got it going on, looking great now. It's going to look great with this sling. So anyways, I'm going to move the our spot here, and I'm going to install this sling. So let's get to it. Okay, guys, I believe I've got it set up where we can see now. Trying to beat the sun here because it's about 10 a.m. in the morning, so trying to beat the sun before the sun comes out. So what we need to do, you will need a screwdriver or something to pry it with. This is a little tight right here. I've soaked this in oil, so it's a little loose now. And I've soaked this one in oil, and it's still kind of crispy, kind of hard. But here we go. We're gonna put this on. We run this, straighten this out. This is what we're going for. We're going to do it just like that right there. And our markings will be to the inside of the sling, so that's good, so it won't wear off very easily. Thread this through here. Now, bring this down. Just do some gentle prying here just to work this through. Yeah, it's loosened up quite a bit since I put the oil on it. I just soaked it in some ballast oil. Now we have that through. Now we run this through our glide here. And you have to take off your rubber strap to get this through here. Let's do the first part. And we take it through the second. And that is our sling. It's on now. Now we got to put this on. Run that through just like that. We'll go ahead and put this on. There's that. This is what gets a little tight right here. Very tight, grasshopper. Very tight. That new leather that's never been used, it's not broken in, so very tight. And she is on there. Now this is a little long. Like I said, I don't know if this is actually a dedicated made for the SKS, but it's very, very close. A lot of times you can see the old school pictures and you'll see them, they'll have the slings like super tight, just like that. But this is very close. I don't keep mine tight anyway, so it really doesn't matter to me. And you run that down there. There's our sling, it's on. Here's our old sling. I just like this old school, that, I don't know, that just looks brand new to me. So I like this old school look right here. Hope that come out very good. Yeah, you can see. Let's get a closer look here. This is a Yugoslavian oil can. This is a brass oil can for the SKS. The Yugos have leather slings, and you can actually put that on your sling. It would probably go on that Chinese sling if I stretched it, but it's made for a leather sling. And here's our original Chinese green plastic oil can. Purchased most of these off eBay too. Let's get a closer look here. There's our finished product. Trying to get out of the sun here. Very nice sling. Like I said, you have the markings on the inside here, so they're not on the outside rubbing against your skin or your body when you have the rifle slung over you, so you're not rubbing your markings off. They're kind of protected on the inside there. I just think that's a good addition to this old school SKS. It may not be 100% accurate to the rifle, but I like it a lot better. If you know anything about these slings, feel free to chime in the comments and let me know. Some of these slings were advertised, I believe, I don't know if it was this one, but advertised for SVD and the AK and the SKS. But I'm pretty sure that they had this one labeled as SKS and AK sling. Looks a little long for an AK to me. Not sure that'd be pretty long for an AK. Anyways, guys, there she is. I'll be doing another video on this when I get my other SKS out, so that'll be coming up very soon. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and